Guys, today we are playing with this Tetch model, the Sonic truck, which you could control with the remote in the phone. And it also says voice control. I don't know about you, but this thing is sick. So let's get into it. Okay, so first, wait. Of course we're not gonna build this thing. No. No. Aha. You gotta say the. Aha. We gotta say the magic word. The magic word is subscribe. Okay? You guys gotta say it too. 3, 2, 1, subscribe. Whoa! Now that thing is cool. That thing is cool. That thing is cool. Look at this remote. It's so cool. Look, it's like a Lego batteries. You gotta put some batteries in it. So you got this thing. Goes up. When you open it, and there's a button here, you press it, and it turns it on. So you close it, and you're ready to go. Wait, nah, I forgot. But click at this. We're not gonna do the voice control. If you want to see a part 2 of this, I'll do the voice control. And yeah, so I don't know why, but mine, if I press the left, it goes right. Like, look. But I put it left, right, it goes. So I like putting it upside down. So I just press the bottom number so it goes front. So. Oopsie. Ow! Uh-oh. Guys, comment down below if you want to see a part 2 where I play with this thing. That'll be so cool. So, yeah, that's going to end up this video. So it's going to end up this video. And if you want to do another part 2, just comment down below. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.